Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will see about the bioinorganic chemistry, some remaining points with the enzymes and the proteins, how it works in the nature as well as in our body. See, it's pandemic period, so you have to take care of, and this is the online lecture of inorganic chemistry. Last lecture we have seen about the many inorganic elements are essential for life that we are knowing. Without that elements we cannot stable, we cannot survive. Organisms make economic use of available resources but also have developed mechanisms to accumulate certain elements as like a hemoglobin, that iron which is to be required. Despite of low amount of metal ions present in living system, they are enormously important for virtual all life processes. So the deficiency of calcium, we are having that bone problems. So anyhow, both deficiency and overload excess lead to illnesses that you are knowing very well. Despite the low amount of metal ions present in the living system, we are suffering many more health problems. So, the synopsis of important properties of metal ions. The geometry and electronic structure of metal ions in biological system, and the thermodynamic, that is the complex stability and site selectivity in presence of stability constant, charge, ionic radii, hard and soft acid base principle, Irving Williams series, other effects and pK values, and the competition of the metals with the proteins. So we are knowing now we are lacking of many more metals, and that's what we are suffering a lot. Properties important for catalysis, that is the Lewis acidity, redox potential, and the electron transfer rates, that was the BP virtues, and ligand exchange rates. Effect of metal environment created by the protein. Now the general properties, that is the characteristic, sodium and the potassium, the predominant oxidation state is +1. Magnesium and calcium, the predominant oxidation state is +2. Zinc and the nickel, predominant oxygen state is +2. Iron, copper, cobalt, molybdenum and the manganese, that is of which is present in the table number 4 we will see. Means it becomes cuprous to cupric, then cupric to cuprous, then ferrous to ferric, ferric to ferrous. So likewise it change according to the reaction. Then stability of the complexes, sodium and potassium, as they are having that +1 oxidation state, it's very low, and its preferred donor atoms, that is oxygen, and mobility in biological system, it is very high as they are not stable. Magnesium and calcium, in presence of that stability, it is the low or the medium. Again, the preferred donor atoms, that is 0 or that oxygen, and the mobility in the biological system, it is medium. Zinc and the nickel, the stability is, it is very high. Nitrogen and sulfur can be donor, and the low to the medium except zinc. Iron, copper, molybdenum, manganese and the cobalt, they are high stable except ferrous 2 and the manganese 2 medium. Nitrogen and sulfur are the donor atoms, sometimes oxygen for high oxidation state, and the mobility, that is low to the medium, ferrous 2 and the manganese 2. So likewise that they are to be stable in the nature sometimes, but the sodium and potassium, it is not stable. Now the geometry, that is metal ion with oxidation state, and the prepared geometries, they are to be shown in the table in slide. So see and concentrate upon the slide. Copper 2, it has that copper has the D9 electronic configuration, so the tetragonal and the 5 coordination and the tetrahedral. Manganese 2, that is D4. Then copper 1, it is D10, linear, trigonal, planar or the tetrahedral. Cobalt 2, D7 state, octahedral, tetrahedral and the others. Zinc 2, that is tetrahedral, octahedral and the 5 coordination. Iron, cobalt, chromium 3 plus state, D5, D6, D3 state, they are octahedral or the others. causes the ligand field theory and the steric factors. So in this case, the geometry which is to be mentioned in a slide, it is to be due to the ligand field stability and the theory. Now the next we are to be studying about the +1, +2, +3, +4 oxidation states with the metals. Potassium, it is +10, common in chemistry. Calcium, it is common in chemistry, +2. Scandium, it is +3, common in chemistry. Then titanium, +4, it is common in chemistry. Vanadium, +2, +3, +4, +5, it is common in chemistry. Whereas the chromium, it is +2 state, it is very less common and not available in the biological system, but +3 state it is to be showing. Then manganese, which is having that +2 as well as +4 oxidation state. Iron, it is +2, +3, and cobalt, it is +2, +3. Nickel, it is +2. Copper, it is +2, +1, and the zinc, it is +2 state. They are stable. So likewise that the transition metal ions which are present in the universe as well as in our body, which did their own function with the proper oxidation state. Common spin states for the some metal ions: manganese M2 plus, that is a high spin in D5 state, and M3, that is high spin D4 state. Iron, it is low spin and or high spin in D6 state, whereas the iron 3 plus high spin D5 state. Cobalt, it is high spin in D7 state in +2 oxidation state, and the low spin in +3 oxidation state with the D6 electronic configuration. And nickel, it is high spin in D6 state and low spin in a D7 state. Stability aspect with the thermodynamic of metal binding. Important of understanding of metal uptake and distribution. Specificity of metal binding, that is biomolecule, catalysis of metalloenzymes, and interaction of metals with the nucleic acid. Let us see stability constant, ligand plus metal, that is ligand metal, and the constant equal to ligand metal divided by ligand ion concentration and the metal ion concentration. So the dissociation constant, which is calculated, Kd equal to K1 log Kd equal to -15, as the log K it is 10 raised to 15. Now the stability constant, it ranges, that is rough rule of thumb which explains the strong complexes log K it is greater than 10 and weak complexes log K is less than 4. So the stability aspect which governs stability, that is charge effect. Rule of thumb which explains the higher the charge of cation, the more stable the complex. And biophysical region, charge recombination is favorable. But hard soft acid base principle which explains ionic radii. Ionic radii are dependent upon position of metal in the periodic table, charge, that is higher, the smaller, and the coordination number, which is higher, the larger. If covalence, that is due to the difference in electronegativity, steric hindrance would not operate that charge upon radius and would dictate order of stability. In reality, seldom observed, only with very small ligands, example fluorine. Hard and soft acids bases. Hard acids, borderline acids, and the soft acids which explain on the slide in the table, and the bases which are mentioned. So by means of mentioning and seeing about the hard and soft acid bases, how that it shows the variable in its state. Next, the stability aspect which explains the Irving and Williams series, that is to be shown on the slide. Stability order for high spin divalent metal ion complexes which are mentioning on the slide. So see it carefully. manganese 2 always the minimum, always peaks at copper 2, and underlying reasons, that is ionic radii and the ligand field stability energy. Stability aspects interplay between the hard soft acid base principles and the Irving Williams series. For high spin metal 2 complexes, they are bidentate ligand and trend more pronounced the softer the ligands which will bind. So hard acids are always tend to bind with hard bases, and soft acids are always tend to bind with the soft bases for the stability purposes. Now the competition with the protons which are present in the biological system, it is both metal ions and H plus are positively charged and have an affinity for bases. So according to it, the actual concentration of a complex metal ligand therefore depend upon the concentration of metal as well as the concentration of ligand and the concentration of H plus ions. So low pH, which gives that the high hydrogen ion concentration, metal ligand complex dissociate, and effective or apparent or conditional stability constant. Competition between protons and the metal ions, which explains here the conditional stability constants of the four most common zinc ligands in proteins. So this graph which explains the pH against the log K, which is to be calculated here, and that's what the systematic and that high concentration which explains that the 8.5 or 6 to 7. Other contributions to stability, that is Chillet effect, preferred coordination geometry, dielectric constants to the medium. Interiors of proteins can be very different from water and usually more hydrophobic, lower dielectric constant, enhanced charge recombination and therefore complex formation. So these effects are also possible to stable the metal ions. The catalysis in metal enzymes which are worked in our body as well as the fluid, the properties of metal ions exploited for enzymatic catalysis. So catalysis which proceeds the reaction in the system. So the Lewis acidity, affinity for electrons, polarization of substances, facilitation of attack by external base, increasing attacking power of bound base, and the pKa values of coordinated ligands are lowered. Example, aqua ions, pKa values 9 to 10, and in zinc enzymes as low as 7. Orienting the substrate and stabilizing it in a conformation conductivity reaction, that is redox activity. Lewis acidity effect on pKa of bound, which is explained in the chart. So the importance of redox chemistry in biological system, it is depends upon the electron transfer reaction. Energy generation for life is based on flow of electrons from fuel to the oxygen which is of a respiration. Now here that the McGraw-Hill that site which explains it is in a clear manner. Standard reduction potential where pH is 0, here oxidizing power increases. Redox potential of metal ions are highly dependent on environment and the coordinated ligands. Biology, that is in chemistry in water, is limited to this range, that's H plus, H2, pH 7, conductance it is the minus 0.4 volt, and oxygen hydroxyl minus pH 7, that is 0.8 volt plus. Kinetic aspects, water exchange reaction expressed as lifetime of complexes useful to characterize reactivity in ligand exchange reaction. In this case, the inert and the labile processes of the metals which is to be explained. Protein tune the properties of metal ions, that is coordination number, the lower the higher the Lewis acidity. Coordination geometry, proteins can dictate distortion and distortion can change reactivity of metal ions. Weak interaction in the vicinity, second shell effects, hydrogen bonds to bound ligands and hydrophobic residues, dielectric constant can change stability of metal ligand bonds. We will look at this is more in detail with the zinc, copper and the iron enzymes. So, the behavior of metal ions in biological systems can be understood by combining the principles of coordination chemistry with a knowledge of the specific environment created by the biomolecules. And that's what this topic it has the more importance according to. Thank you. Thank you very much. Take care. Use mask and keep social distance. Thank you very much.